you're making flanken cut short ribs.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
Yes. A very special recipe by somebody very special that passed it on to me, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And as I said, everything's feel, so we're just gonna go for the feel of it, right?
That's the way
Is it time to start? Do I go like
for
that?
it.
Okay, here we go. So we have the bulgogi sauce, and I just pour it all over, and then I like to mix it up, right? And get it in there and get it all nice and yummy.
That's kind of sexy.
Yeah, right? Yeah, hence the red dress. Then we have some beer, which I love. Of course, you know, Modelo, a little beer to put on top because that always makes everything better. I'm gonna wipe this, sorry, honey. I'm gonna wipe my hands. By the way,
ready
this is
for you,
very
baby.
exciting.
I'm here for
I
you.
do a dash of honey because I like things to feel like sweet and
little
salty.
bit of sweet and sour
a little
and salty,
sweet and salty, right? And just do a little dash of that. We have our soy sauce. And by the way, you can jump in and do this with me too. So a little soy sauce.
You're doing
And
great.
again, we're gonna mix it up, and then can I have some salt and pepper?
Sure, babe.
Perfect. So some salt and pepper. And I love cooking where it really expands the kids' palates. I like them loving different things and trying different things.
I love that you brought that up.
Yeah.
That's such an important thing. Not
cooking
to
should be
dumb
fun,
down.
right?
And don't dumb down a kid's food.
Exactly. And then we're gonna cover this, and at the same time, I love rice. We make rice literally almost every night in our house. So we're gonna do this. Hold on, where's our
Out of your way.
rice pot? We're gonna open this, we're gonna pour in our water, and we're gonna put our rice in so that that is cooking at the same time as our short ribs. And we put a little bit of butter, a little salt. Who else loves to have rice in their house? Because that's just like a staple.
And you can always have cold hot
It is
rice,
a staple
too.
every night. By the way, I'm so excited and nervous. This is so crazy because talking and cooking at the same time is kind of crazy. I mean, yelling at my children is one
I hear
thing,
you.
but this is very different.
Baby, you want me to put the onions in the pot with the beef?
Yes, and then we're gonna make some caramelized onions at the same time, which is very exciting.
Did they not go in there?
No, you can put them in there too. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Too late
Why
now.
don't we do both?
All
Why don't we
right,
do both?
good. All right.
We'll put some for flavor in there.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna just reach over here and go like
And
this.
throw some in the little thing.
Perfect.
She's
over
fishing
here.
it out.
Here we go. No, I'm not
so
fishing it out.
sorry.
What? You are the professional chef. What do I know?
Let's get on to your cucumbers here.
So over here, I love cucumber salads. So right here, we're gonna mix in this yummy sweet sauce, and you can go to Rachel's website to see all about it. And then we put some sesame oil. This is so easy and so delicious, you guys.
And a
I'm gonna
little
sprinkle
sesame.
some sesame seeds and some salt. And then what we do is we put out ginger, and we put out all these
Some
different,
kimchi.
some kimchi.
Yep. The
and we have our
caramelized onions.
And yeah, and then we have our rice.
Should I reveal this?
Absolutely. Here we go.
Whoa, gorgeous.
Isn't that so yummy? Sorry, I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess.
That's
And
okay.
by the way, my kitchen is very messy because I do have 4 kids that are all different ages, and I'm always, you know, trying to cook and do everything for everyone and be mommy and all that. So
Well, I think
it
that
does
every
turn out
woman
really
in the room
beautiful.
can probably relate to it.
yes, absolutely. And isn't this just so yummy? And it makes it so fun. I love having these different side dishes because the kids love to come and play, and it's just
And
so
kind of
great,
mix and
right?
match.
Yeah.
And you want me to put some kimchi on here?
Absolutely. And then you can put some ginger.
And a little ginger.
Right.
All right.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!